So I know your idea of warm water around here is a little different than mine,
is.
but do the jellyfish like this temperature of water right now, or is that above your? That's above your.
No, I mean, this is kind of cold for them. That's why we don't usually see like a ton of them near shore, but we have seen
never
some.
see them when the water's like 42 in January.
Right, as far as I know, I think they go deeper and farther south. Our water, I think, is in the mid to upper 60s.
They're just like us. They're out for summer.
Yeah,
they're loving it.
I get it. We will never.
We should protect them.
I hope we never get to 81 in the Gulf of Maine, because then we'll have a whole other problem. They were talking about 81 down there. That's wildly warm for us. But yeah, we're going to have some beach days coming up, so something to think about. Temperatures today were in the 80s. That was a nice transition over from where we were a little bit fallish earlier this week, right? And then we popped temperatures today, and I think the low to mid 80s made it feel more summery. We had some showers and storms out there in central New Hampshire and into Vermont too. These have been going on all week. I just haven't spent much time on them because they haven't come across the border. They may tomorrow, a few of them, so we'll talk about that in a second. Tonight, temperatures are down into the 50s eventually, a couple of 40s across northern Maine too. And tomorrow's a lot like today, and again, the difference is going to be that a few of these showers might work their way into the mountains and foothills. This model is actually relatively bullish on this compared to some others, but I do think there's a chance a few showers could break their way across. But the nicest weather is likely across northern Maine and even down east Maine. Washington and Hancock counties see the most sunshine. The rest of us, partly cloudy, temperatures around 80, up to 85 if we can get more sun in there. And then Saturday's a really beautiful day. It's not all that hot along the coastline, probably upper 70s, but with the sun, I think that feels pretty good. And then inland, it's about 80 to 85, and we stay mostly sunny through the day. We start to turn things up heat-wise on Sunday, and that's where more of us will be in the upper 80s and some low 90s. I don't think, though, that Sunday is oppressively hot. That comes into next week. As this high stays in place, it's kind of loosely in place, but it holds any major systems from coming through here all the way through probably Thursday of next week. So we've got pop-up shower and thunderstorm chances on Tuesday and Wednesday, but I don't think there's a lot of rain to be had there. So under that ridge just keeps building from the southwest, and it gets warmer and warmer. And so I think, short of too much wildfire smoke or some clouds that I don't see coming, we're going to have a couple of days here that are 90 plus, and I believe that Thursday could be another one. I think this model might be bringing that front through a little too fast, so we could have 4 or potentially 5 days of 90 plus. I changed those little icons on the bottom there to put sticky in on Sunday, and then humid straight through. It's basically going to be humid till we break the front. The Euro brings the front through Thursday night, so we would cool back down. The GFS does not bring it through within its forecast range, which means we'd go into next weekend, or I'm sorry, the weekend after, with heat still. So we'll see how that plays out. But either way, it's probably going to be the warmest week of the summer so far, at least. And likely it will, unless something comes that I don't see coming, likely would be the warmest one we have.
And the timing's pretty good.
It's, pretty much when you'd expect it, right?
In the nick of time.
Yeah, and the water temperature is good and all that. So.
All right. Thanks, Keith.
Thank you.